2008, 6, 10, and 12.
Okay.
6, 8, 10, and 12.
Okay, sorry.
Every 2 years.
All right, and do they live with you?
No,
When's the last time you've seen them?
it's been about 5 years.
Why so long?
I was in prison.
Miguel Contreras faced charges for evading arrest with prior convictions. He hoped for a second chance, expecting leniency from the court. Instead, the judge tore open his past, mental health battles, homelessness, and a history tangled with addiction. Miguel admitted to using crystal meth and marijuana every week. He hadn't seen his kids in 5 years, washed away by time and prison walls. As the judge listened, the tension rose. Suddenly, all hopes faded. Instead of a soft verdict, Miguel received strict conditions, rehab requirements, and stern words. You're about to see the exact moment it all falls apart.
The court is calling 2024 CR 012263, State versus Miguel Contreras Jr. Can I have parties announced for the state?
Andrew Settlement.
Defense?
I'm here, Memory.
And are you Mr. Contreras?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Contreras, do you have any objections to your counsel appearing
No,
by
ma'am.
Zoom?
No, ma'am.
All right. State, any objections to the defense counsel appearing by Zoom?
No objection, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery?
I have, Your Honor.
And did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Contreras, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, waiving the repeat offender enhancement allegation.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
Mr. Contreras, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I do. Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with evading arrest detention with a previous conviction? That is a state jail felony.
Yes.
Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
No. Yes, excuse me.
Okay, no
Sorry.
problem. Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility
Yes,
and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Contreras, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
No.
According to the plea, the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor, with one caveat, there are 2 misdemeanor cases that the state will take into consideration that I failed to note on the bargain page.
Any objections to the court writing those numbers in, defense?
No, Your Honor.
All right, and which case numbers are you taking in consideration? Would it be the resisting arrest, search of transportation, and failure to identify?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right,
2024 PF 13390 and 2024 PF 26344.
all right, so how they have it listed on the docket sheet?
As 2024 CC 740762 and 2025 CC 000160, Your Honor.
Yes. So are
Yes, Your
those correct numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so the state will be taking in consideration 2024 CC 740762, which is a resisting arrest, search, or transportation. and 2025 CC 000160, which is a failure to identify. Did you understand that to be the plea, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. Did you understand that's a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation? Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Contained in Exhibit 1 and attachments, Your Honor.
Any
No
objection?
objection.
State, you may
objection.
be excused. Did you review the waiver and consent with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, state. There's a page 2 of the police report is missing. Mr. Memori, do you have any objection to the state amending the waiver to include page 2 of the police report?
No, Your Honor.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Do you wish to proceed with sentencing, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, is there anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
That we respectfully ask the court to follow the agreement between the state and defense.
All right, do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
They were born 2006, 8, 10, and 12.
I'm sorry, what?
2008, 6, 10, and 12.
Okay.
6, 8, 10, and 12. Excuse me.
Okay, sorry.
Every 2 years.
All right, and do they live with you?
No,
When's the last time you've seen them?
it's been about 5 years.
Why so long?
I was in prison.
Okay.
And ever since then, I haven't seen them since.
All right, how far did you go in school?
I was graduated high school and went to the Marine Corps when I got out.
And how did you went to the Marine Corps? Was that was that an honorable
I
discharge?
got a bad conduct discharge.
I'm sorry?
A bad conduct discharge.
All right. So how did you go from being in the Marines to being here?
Long
What
story.
happened?
There was a grand larceny case that I didn't report, and I ended up going to the brig for it, and then between then to me getting out of the brig, I had 8 charges stacked on me. I was facing 33 years. They lowered it down to accessory after the fact and failed to report grand larceny, conspiracy, whatever.
So when you were released from the brig and when you're out of the military, how do you keep picking up cases here? What's going on with you? Is there a mental health issue? Is there a drug issue?
Homeless. Homeless. I really don't have a place to stay at the moment.
Well, the problem is once there are some issues, I don't know if the military or if there are any issues available for you because of the way you were released from the military. We can have somebody come down and see. But Sean, can you see if Herman is able to come down and just to talk to him? You're not going to qualify for a Veterans Treatment Court or anything of that nature because of it's not an honorable discharge from the military. So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
I'm not sure yet.
Do you have something for me?
This, Mrs. Your Honor, may I?
Yes. Well, I mean, how old are you?
I'm 40.
All right, you have to come up with some ideas. Otherwise, we're going to see you back here.
I understand.
So has there been any type of drug use with you?
I smoke.
What do you smoke?
some meth sometimes, and some marijuana,
All right, you say crystal meth and what?
cigarettes.
You say crystal meth, cigarettes, and marijuana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When's the last time you smoked crystal meth?
Before I got arrested, not too long,
Mhm.
but I don't do it. I don't want to say I'm not addicted, but I don't know.
Well, how
do
often
what
were
I
you
do.
smoking?
Uh, I'm sorry.
How often were you smoking meth?
Maybe like twice a week,
Okay,
at least, maybe.
all right. So this is what the court is gonna do. Court is gonna follow your agreement, 4 years deferred adjudication. Counsel, I don't want him to be unsuccessful on this, so I'm gonna do a TAP evaluation and do it in custody. It shouldn't take that long for the TAP evaluation to be completed. And we'll follow TAP recommendations.
Your Honor,
Yes,
may I present to Mr. Contreras copies of these?
yes.
Thank you.
There's gonna be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 35 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm gonna require parenting classes. Once he completes that, then 100 hours will be deemed satisfied of the community service restitution. The other 100 hours will be deemed satisfied if you complete some type of trade school or something to better yourself. You understand?
Mm.
Or if you go to college. Field visits 1 time per month.
What's a field visit?
Oh, they're gonna come out and visit you at your
Okay.
home, probation, and that's gonna be until further notice. Taking consideration 2024 CC 740762, 2025 CC 000160. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. We got the record, sir. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. Make sure that you stay in touch with probation. If you feel that there's an issue they're not addressing, you can always come back to the court. Do you understand? The other thing, if there's a sidewalk that is provided, you must walk on the sidewalk. If you are not walking on the sidewalk, the police can stop you. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
Miguel's fate wasn't sealed by prison, but by the judge's tough conditions: rehab, random drug tests, and parenting classes. Now he must fight not just for freedom, but a chance at redemption. Was this tough justice or an opportunity for grace? If you were on the jury, what would you decide? Tell us below. Was this sentence fair, or did the system miss a deeper problem? Drop your thoughts in the comments.